Today on Lone Star Grills, we're smoking up some country style ribs. This is an easy method to get you the smoky, tender, and juicy results you're looking for. Country style ribs come either bone-in or boneless. Bone-in versions are cut from the first few rib bones, while boneless versions can be simply cut from a pork shoulder. We'll be doing a mixture of both today. Start by seasoning these up generously on all surfaces with your favorite pork rub. If you don't have a go-to pork rub, we'll leave a homemade recipe down in the description below. Once these are all seasoned up, just let them hang out on the counter while we preheat the pit. We'll be doing today's cook on the Lone Star Grillz pellet smoker, the cooker that offers offset quality smoke with the convenience of a pellet smoker. Preheat your cooker to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's fully preheated, get your ribs on, being sure to leave some space in between for smoke to travel, close the lid, and begin cooking. The first part of this cook will take approximately 90 minutes to 2 hours. We just want to make sure we develop a good bark on the outside of these ribs. As soon as they probe around 165 to 175 degrees and the bark is set, it's time to get these into a foil pan and add your favorite barbecue sauce. Now cover these up, get them back on the cooker to allow them to fully tenderize. Approximately 1 hour later, these will probe tender. Now you could rest these and serve them up, but we're going to give these a whole nother layer of flavor by searing them off. So just slide back your searing plate, put your cooker in manual mode, 100% feed, give it about 10 to 15 minutes to warm up, and then sear these off for about 30 to 60 seconds per side. That powerful sear is going to lay down some gorgeous char flavor to finish these off. Now you can allow these to rest and then serve them up just the way you like. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like information on any of our products, give us a call or check out our links below. We'll see you on the next one.